How to buy department propaganda everywhere token. So this token came under the symbol of Dopey. Now as you can see, this post under the Elon Musk official account on X. He said that while winding down this global government propaganda agency, it has temporarily been renamed the Department of Propaganda Everywhere Dopey. Much more accurate name, and the new logo is a big improvement. So as you can see, this token it's available on the screener. It created just 4 hours ago and increased by 5,000% in the last 24 hours. This token also trended number 5 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, you can go to Radium, as you can see, connect your wallet first, select your wallet from here, for example, Bitget wallet. Now after you connect your wallet, go back to this token page, and now you can copy the token address, go back and click here and paste the token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, click on add token and click on your token again to be able to see it here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on more info and make sure to read all this information here. And if you are ready to go, you can click on swap. You can click on swap, and a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to confirm the buy process. So this is how to buy Dopey token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.